Hi, I'm Dave Booth, Vice President of Sales with Caliber Equipment. And what I'd like to do today is talk a little bit about one of the many products that we offer in our floor cleaning category. This particular unit you see here today is from Karcher, one of the manufacturers we represent. And this is the B150R Rider Scrubber. Now this is in the larger category, and it has a lot of unique features different than many of the other machines in the industry. This particular model, it is a battery powered machine. You can get it with two different type of deck sizes, a 30-inch or 35, and it's available in both disc or cylindrical depending on your cleaning application. Let me take a few minutes now and go through the machine with you. As I said, it is a battery powered machine, so you have battery pack underneath the seat, and it has a 40-gallon capacity. The lower portion is your clean water tank. The rear portion here is your dirty water tank. The nice thing about this, you have very easy access for maintenance by just simply slipping this back. Gives you full access to the battery pack. Again, this is a 36-volt system, so it takes 6 batteries, and it's available in different size batteries, both wet acid or AGM maintenance free, depending on the type of battery in your application. But as you can see, by pulling back the recovery tank and the seat, gives you easy access to maintain your batteries, as well as access to your electrical components that are located back behind here, and they're protected up off of the floor. This machine comes standard with a lot of great features. You have an adjustable seat, backup alarm, strobe light, all features that are standard on the machine. The rear here, where you have your solution tank, big lid that lifts up. Again, on any machine, if you make cleaning the tank easier, then it's going to be done more often. So as you can see with this large lid that lifts up, gives you easy access. This is a 40-gallon machine, so it holds 40 gallons of solution and picks up 40 gallons. And again, they've added some very unique features. We have a little debris basket here that can be removed, so in the event that you suck up any kind of solid debris, you're going to catch it in here versus down inside the tank. They have a standard float switch here, so that when the dirty water is filled up to a point, it's going to lift that up, so we protect the vac motor. One of the unique features it has is a self-cleaning system that is included. And what that's for is when you're done and you've dumped the dirty water out of this drain hose, you can hook a garden hose up and it'll automatically help rinse out the machine, which is done through this port right here. You can hook a quick connect there or put a garden hose up inside of here. But again, that is only another way to help clean out the dirty tank. As we move over to the front of the machine, as you see, you've got an open area, great visibility. The lower portion is your clean tank, so you can either fill it from the front or you can fill it here with either a garden hose or a quick disconnect. So again, all these features are keeping it very simple for your operators. This particular model is the cylindrical version, and that means it has 2 roller brushes underneath here, and here's a little catch tray. By simply switching that, opens the side skirt, and now the debris basket can come out. As I said, this particular model is available in disc, which is for spills, stains, and light dust, but if there's debris on the floor and you're trying to save time and labor, or you have a grouted floor, cylindrical does a great job because it's doing 2 jobs at one time. Scrubbing the floor and picking up the small debris you may have on the floor, deposits in the catch basket, and now you're left with just dirty water going to the back, and the squeegee system is going to pick it up. When you get the cylindrical model, you also get dual front brooms. The purpose of these are so I can get closer to the edges of the walls, and the debris as these spin moves underneath the machine, and as you go forward, the scrub deck is going to be picking them up. So again, this is a standard feature when you buy the cylindrical version of this model, that you've got the dual broom so I can clean on the left or the right side of the machine. Here on the controls of this particular model, very simple system that they've designed. First of all, there's no key. There's actually a key fob that you would just put into place, and it comes with two different colors. One is for your operator, the other is for the supervisor. With the supervisor key, you can custom adjust the different parameters of this machine, from the speed, the amount of solution, the down pressure, giving you all ways to customize the machine. You've got a main power switch up here first of all. Comes with a horn. Here's your forward and reverse button. And then as I go through the different settings, I can pre-program. So on transport, I'm just driving the machine. When I turn it there, this is for light scrubbing and light cleaning. When I go to the next setting, now I'm going to increase the pressure in the vacuum, or I can go for heavy scrubbing and put down more solution, more pressure, and a higher amount of vacuum. This setting is I'm just strictly scrubbing, and as you can see, the LED screen changes. This setting would be just to vacuum, and this would be if you put roller pads to actually polish the floor. Each of these settings, by using the supervisor key, you can specifically set parameters within each one of those, so that when your operator is running it, they just go to the individual setting of what they're cleaning, and you've already pre-programmed it. So it takes all the guesswork out, and it helps give you better performance and not have problems with how the machine is operated. So as you can see, it's a very simple layout on the controls. Adjustable seat, large steering wheel for great control and safety. Again, this is the Karcher B150R. Give us a call, Caliber Equipment, and we'll be happy to talk a little bit more about it. 888-550-0945. And thanks for watching.